Kitty, I cannot leave for 5 minutes. Where am I going to put the bread, Kitty? Now you're sitting in a bread basket. I think this bread basket will be your basket from now on. Because my little kitten is sitting in our bread basket. Are you sitting in a bread basket, Kitty? What was that? A noisy car? A car that pollutes? A car that destroys nature because it pollutes our air? It's a bad thing, right, Kitty? You should work from home and stop polluting. Stop using the cars, right, Kitty? And planes. They all pollute and destroy our nature. Right, Kitty? What do you say? Kitty, what are you doing in our bread basket, Kitty? Now we don't have a bread basket anymore. Now we have a cat basket, right? Now this is your basket. From now on this will be your basket. Okay, Kitty? You are a sweet kitten. You are a sly kitten. You took our bread basket, right? Now it's a cat basket. Is it a cat basket, Kitty? Yes, it's a cat basket now. Hello, did you hide, Kitty? You were a cat loaf, alright? You were a cat loaf and this is why you wanted a bread basket. My little cat loaf.